Hello everyone. Welcome to Inspire. You are watching short and sweet tutorial series. I have made some LUTs for color grading. LUTs are important for color grading. If you're not already familiar with the term, a LUT is an algorithm used to change the colors of a video. LUTs can be used for a number of different purposes, from correctly displaying flat footage to exporting video for film printing. Download the LUTs from description below and I will show you how to use these LUTs in Premiere Pro. I have already made a timeline here. Now I will add LUTs on this videos. Go to Lumetri panel first and open a creative section in it. Now select this look option here. These are some default LUT presets. To apply LUT from your folder, select this browse option here. Then open your downloaded LUT folder here. I will put a path here that I have already copied. Then select LUT here and open it. It will apply the LUT on your footage. Now here are some more options of Lumetri. You can change some properties from here also. This first option is sharpen option. It will make video sharp, or we can unsharp it also. We can change vibrance and saturation from here. I will make every property default and move further. From here you can also change LUT if you want. You can apply LUTs on other videos by following same process. Now you can see this Lumetri effect in Effect Control panel here. We can adjust Lumetri effect from Effect Control panel also. I will adjust basic corrections here. We have some correction settings here in this panel. We can adjust exposure, contrast, highlights, shadows, black and white colors. LUTs will not give exact and accurate effect on every video you will apply. You may change some settings also from here. We have to tweak some effects to get proper result. Sometimes it may be overexposed or underexposed lightings, dark parts or shadows. Use this LUTs and make your videos cinematic. And if you like this video and learned something useful, then hit on the like button and subscribe to this channel for more editing and VFX videos and tutorials.